Get your spacecraft ready, because we are going to the moon. After a gloomy 2022 and an extremely awkward early 2023, Cardano is finally gaining some momentum. The recent reports are quite impressive and various predictions have rolled out. Finally, some succour to relish. Recently, Cardano ADA has been one of the most talked about cryptocurrencies. Nothing beats its blooming popularity. However, like other digital assets, ADA has also experienced some pullbacks. Perhaps we should serve it hot. According to the well-known trading analyst in the crypto space, Ali Martinez, the current correction may actually be a bullish retest before ADA reaches the target of its inverse head and shoulders formation. So what do we mean? The inverse head and shoulders formation is a classic pattern in technical analysis that is an indication of a bullish trend reversal. Cardano's chart signals that the digital asset is in the process of completing this pattern, and if it does, the price could potentially surge higher in the coming weeks. However, ADA's bullish outlook is not really set in stone, so a level of disappointment is still inevitable. ADA heavily relies on the 200 EMA on the daily chart at 39 cents, which must hold for the digital asset to maintain its upward momentum. A breakdown below this critical support level could indicate a shift in market sentiment, potentially leading to a bearish trend for ADA. Then we'd be back to square one. Quote, #Cardano. The recent correction looks like a bullish retest before ADA reaches the target of the inverse head and shoulders formation. Still, the 200 EMA on the daily chart at 39 cents must hold ADA for the bullish outlook to remain valid. Investors in ADA should keep a close eye on the digital asset's price movements and monitor any developments that could affect its future price action. Also, Cardano could be aiming for a 55-cent price target as suggested by Elliott Wave theory. The theory, which identifies recurring patterns in financial markets, shows that ADA has recently completed its third wave and is currently in the midst of its fourth wave. Following this pattern, the fifth wave is expected to bring impressive growth, similar to that was seen in the first wave. Frequently used by traders, Elliott Wave theory is a popular technical analysis tool to predict market trends. It postulates that financial markets move in predictable patterns, known as waves. So in the case of Cardano, the completion of the third wave typically indicates strong upward momentum, while the ongoing fourth wave represents a corrective period before the next rally. But it's important to note that while Elliott Wave theory has a strong following among traders, it is not an infallible predictor of market movements. Market conditions, sentiment, and external factors impact the accuracy of these predictions, which means that investors should approach the 55-cent target with caution, considering the potential risk and rewards before making any investment decisions. Plus, with the positive price movements, Cardano is also leading the way in GitHub development activity. Currently, it has a total of 661 commits, far surpassing other leading blockchain projects. Cardano's leadership in GitHub development activity is a positive sign for the digital asset's future. It demonstrates the team's dedication to innovation and continuous improvement, which is crucial for the long-term success of any blockchain project. Every favorable factor is just screaming positive. Above all, if ADA's bullish momentum continues, the digital asset could potentially reach heights of around 50 cents in the coming weeks and months. Going forward, Cardano's TVL has increased 172% from 50.8 million in Q4 of 2022 to 138.3 million in Q1 of 2023. Indigo and Jet stablecoins have influenced overall growth in Cardano's TVL, with a 72% and 27 volume spikes respectively. Cardano, now the 7th largest crypto network by market cap, has a significantly positive first 3 months of the year. The crypto market research platform Messari has shared that the proof-of-stake blockchain network recorded significant increases in both financial and ecosystem metrics over the quarter. More specifically, Messari stated in the State of Cardano Q1 2023 report that the ADA's network market cap and total value locked in DeFi saw substantial bumps and dumps. The growth came as Cardano saw increased adoption for new stablecoins amid notable technical developments around network scalability and VM compatibility. Among the key developments were the deployment of multiple Layer 2 solutions on Cardano mainnet and an increase in sidechains that continue to bolster cross-chain compatibility. According to recent reports, the Cardano-powered algorithmic stablecoin JED has achieved a significant milestone after seeing its total tokens in circulation surpass the 4 million mark, with 4.2 million now in circulation. Do you remember when we talked about JED? It is an over-collateralized stablecoin that relies on Cardano's native blockchain tokens, ADA, and employs SHIN as a reserve coin. With a reserve ratio of 380%, JED offers an enhanced layer of security as its current circulating supply is hinged on nearly 4 times the amount of its outstanding coins. The circulating supply is currently backed by around 38.9 million ADA tokens. Meanwhile, the project's SHIN reserve coin is currently priced at 1.13 ADA and has a circulating supply of around 25.7 million tokens. So by buying and selling SHIN, users can contribute to the stability of the USD currency peg of JED, hence earning a share of transaction fees in the reserve pool. Holders of SHIN can also profit from its short midterm price fluctuations. It's great news, as JED's growth comes as the total value locked on the DeFi ecosystem of the Cardano network surges. Year to date, it has grown by over 250% according to Crypto Globe. Notably, the latest Cardano network statistics has revealed that 124 projects have been launched on Cardano and that 8.1 million native tokens have been released, as well as across 71,500 token policies. Remarkably, the Cardano Foundation's first annual report is a testament to the robust growth and development of the Cardano ecosystem in 2022. And even amid the falls and bumps, Cardano has had a decent report for the previous year. The Foundation recently released its first annual report, highlighting the achievements of various teams throughout 2022. The report revealed the Foundation's work in three main aspects, which are operational resilience, education, and adoption. The CEO of the Cardano Foundation, Frederick Gregor, expressed his excitement about the report and how it shows progress towards their long-term mission of providing the world with dependable, open, and decentralized infrastructures. From the 26-page report, the Foundation's achievements highlighted its team's dedication and hard work. And to support the growing community, the Foundation has updated its delegation strategy, rewarding stake pool operators who consistently develop essential tools for building on Cardano. Gregor acknowledged these achievements, saying, "Each one of these steps moves us closer towards our long-term mission, contribute to providing the world with open and decentralized infrastructures that it can depend on." In addition, the Foundation claims to have made strides in refining the Cardano improvement proposal process, matching it with one of the best open source practices. The first annual State of the Cardano Developer Ecosystem Survey was also launched to understand the current landscape and better help direct efforts more effectively. Also, the Cardano Foundation reports outstanding growth in its workforce, expanding from under 40 employees at the beginning of 2022 to almost 80 by December. This growth has apparently played a critical role in the organization's ability to achieve its goals throughout the year, and major milestones were also included in the report. The Cardano Foundation's efforts in operational resilience, education, and adoption are said to have been profound in providing technical assistance for updating and maintaining the robustness and reliability of the Cardano infrastructure. The release of decentralized application backend solutions and the expansion of Developer Portal were among the highlights of 2022. A Twitter user noted, "That's brilliant at Cardano_CF. With so many questions in regards to what CF is doing, this will really help with the communication and transparency of the Foundation." Nonetheless, for any cryptocurrency, the first big growth area is decentralized finance. This is where Cardano has notoriously lagged behind market leaders such as Ethereum. The primary metric used to measure DeFi prowess is total value locked, and Cardano currently ranks number 18 among all blockchains with a TVL of $150 million. That might sound humble, but Cardano is still far away from Ethereum, which ranks at number 1 with a TVL of about $30 billion. Until Cardano moves up in TVL chart, investors are going to remain lukewarm on this crypto, and pessimism will still be a raving enemy. That being said, there is still some healthy growth recently in Cardano's DeFi ecosystem, as stated earlier. The Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson recently pointed out that it might take another 12 to 18 months before DeFi is where it ought to be, but we are starting to see the emergence of new decentralized exchanges on Cardano, and this is a very positive development. Moreover, the crypto finally embraced stablecoins this year, which are one of the emphases of decentralized finance. So keep an eye on projects such as JED and algorithmic stablecoin for Cardano that launched in early 2023. Other metrics are also worth your attention. But that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure to click on the subscribe notification buttons, and we'll see you in the next video.